pistol and arrow and bow. Okay, so let's begin the show. So this is a pistol. Okay, and how it's work? This pistol have a magazine. Okay, this is the magazine, and turn and shoot. Okay, turn and shoot. So this is the pistol of, this is the another one. Yes, a black and yellow color pistol. Okay, and how it's work? Turn and shoot, turn and shoot, turn and shoot. Okay, see, this is a nice pistol. This is another one. Okay, silver color and red color, silver and red. Okay, see, very nice. This is very attractive pistol. Okay, and how it's work? Turn and shoot, turn and shoot, turn and shoot. This pistol is have three color: black, yellow and red color. Okay, black, yellow and red color pistol. Okay, and this is a arrow. Okay, this is a arrow, pink color, blue color, green color. Okay, this is also a arrow. Okay, blue color, green color and red color. Okay, and for the last time, this is a bow. Okay, this bow have pink and what? Pink and green color. Oh, and this bow have laser light. Okay, this is the laser light. Okay, is it? See, laser light. And how it's work? How it's work? How it's work? Turn and shoot. Oh wow, this is very nice. So that's it. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Okay, so bye bye. Thank you. Tata. Love you guys. Thank you for the last time. Bye.